thing already sounds good, but check this out. QTB cutouts, key fob. Hit that button. Kind of get that race car sound. Or you can just hit the button and close it. Just like that. Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. Getting a little old school today. New Edge Mustang. Some of you call them old edges. This is a clean car. It's got about 103,000 miles on it. We installed stage 1 cams, a set of Cook's headers, some induction upgrades. We're gonna make a dyno pull for you. But that's pretty cool because we have so many Coyote Mustangs in here. We still have a lot of 3-valve Mustangs come in here. This week we were working on this New Edge. Deserves some respect. Check out the dyno pull. Right here, 291 rear wheel horsepower, 319 torque. Hey, that's not bad. 2-valve Mustang. These things stock back in the day, typically made maybe 215. Good cars on good days, 230 real horsepower. That'd be like a really good stock car. That's pretty normal to make 240, 250 with some average bolt-ons. But there you go. We got a BBK plenum and throttle body on here. This car had a K&N cold air intake. We installed Cook's headers, underdrive pulleys, and the QTB cutouts you saw earlier. I love those things. Hit the button, open them up, make the race car sound. Hit the button, close it, drive through the neighborhood. And of course, we can install those on anything. That's one of the reasons I love those things. It's a manual transmission car. It's a clean car. It's going to be, so much faster than it was before, but still we're working off a 2-valve platform. I think the next mod on a car like this, if it was mine to do cylinder heads, that's the biggest restriction at this point. Add cylinder heads to these, that's what's going to get you up over the 300 mark. But without those, it's very, very tough. We're in a 93 octane. That's what it's calibrated for. So if you have questions about this car, leave a comment. I'm happy to answer. Don't forget, if you have a New Edge Mustang, or honestly any Mustang, and you're looking for something to get installed, quote@brenspeed.com is the best way to email us. That's how you're going to get your pricing. Or call us, 574-594-9559. New Edge right there. If you like watching that and all these other Coyote videos and 3-valve Mustang videos we're doing and videos on old muscle cars, please hit subscribe. It's going to stay up to date. And then hit the notify button. You'll be notified every time I release a new video. Thanks for watching.